students, I welcome you all in my channel, and today we are going to study Who is the Greatest from your English Reader book. Okay, before starting the chapter, I just want to discuss the word and its meaning. What is written here? Far away. Far away means far off or distant. The second word is healed. Healed means cured. Wounds. Wounds means injuries. Alright? Miraculously. Miraculously means extraordinarily. And the next one is adopted. Adopted means to bring another's child as one's own. Right? जब हम किसी दूसरे के बच्चे को अपने बच्चे की तरह टेक केयर करते हैं, उसका ब्रिंग अप करते हैं, दैट इज नोन एज अडॉप्टेड. द नेक्स्ट वन इज प्लीज्ड. प्लीज्ड मीन्स हैप्पी. Moving to the next slide, being. Being means living thing. Tosses. Tosses means to throw off. Delighted. Delighted means pleased or happy. The next one is creature. Creature means living thing. Carry out your wish. It's a proverb, and the meaning of this proverb is to fulfill a desire. To fulfill a desire. Alright? So I'm just moving to the chapter. You all can see on the screen who is the greatest. Who is the greatest before you read. You all have to listen to me very carefully, okay? You must have observed the sun, wind, clouds and mountains in nature around you. The writer wants to say that you all must seen the sun. Whenever the wind is blowing, you must have felt that also. Clouds also you must had seen in the sky, and mountains, right? They all have their own strengths and importance in nature. And again the poet is saying that all these things have their own importance. Let's read the story to find out who can be the greatest of all. And now you all have to read the story to find out who is greatest. Okay? Once upon a time, in a faraway land, there lived a farmer. Once upon a time, a faraway land. Here the writer is saying that many years ago, there lives in a faraway land, in a faraway, place, there lived a farmer. A farmer lived there. Again, I'm explaining in Hindi also. Once upon a time, एक बार की बात है, in a far away land means बहुत दूर देश में, there lived a farmer, एक किसान रहता था. One day on his way to work, the farmer saw a mouse being carried away by a cat in its mouth. The author is again saying that one day on his way to work, when he was going to his work, when the farmer was going to his work, जब farmer एक दिन अपने काम पर जा रहा था, the farmer saw a mouse. The farmer saw a mouse. Farmer ने एक mouse को देखा, एक चूहे को देखा, being carried away by a cat, जो कि एक बिल्ली के द्वारा ले जाया जा रहा था. In its mouth, right? The cat had carried that mouse into its mouth. The cat became frightened, and the cat became scared as soon as the cat saw the farmer. The cat became frightened. All right, she was scared at that time. The mouse ran. The mouse frightened, dropped the mouse and ran away. And the same time, she dropped the mouse there and she ran away. Alright, उसने चूहे को बाहर गिराया और वो भाग गई. Moving to the next slide. The farmer was very kind-hearted, and the farmer was very kind-hearted means वो बहुत दयालु था. किसान जो है वो बहुत gentle person था. He was very gentle person. He took the mouse home and put it in a box. And you know, the farmer had taken the mouse in his hand and he just went to his home. फार्मर ने उस माउस को फार्मर ने उस माउस को अपने घर ले गया एंड पुट इट इन अ बॉक्स एंड ही जस्ट केप्ट इट, ही जस्ट पुट इट इनटू अ बॉक्स. उसने उससे एक बॉक्स में रख दिया. He healed its wounds, and you know what did he do? The farmer healed, the farmer cured its wounds, means its injuries. जहाँ कहीं भी उस माउस को इंजरीज थी, फार्मर ने उसको हील किया, उसको क्योर किया, उसको ट्रीट किया. ऑलराइट. To his complete surprise, when he took out of the box, the mouse miraculously changed into a beautiful girl. And you know what happened? When he just opened that box, what did he say? For his surprise, he had seen a beautiful girl. The mouse had changed into a beautiful girl. Alright, I'm repeating in Hindi also. जैसे ही फार्मर ने उस बॉक्स को खोला, वो बिल्कुल वो आश्चर्य से भर गया, क्योंकि जो उसकी जो माउस था वो एक आश्चर्यचकित रूप में, या आप बोल सकते हो असाधारण रूप में, एक सुंदर लड़की में चेंज हो गया. The girl was very gentle and sweet, and the girl which was earlier a mouse, now it's changed into a girl. The girl was very gentle and sweet, और जो girl थी वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा sweet और बहुत ही ज़्यादा gentle, means वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा kind hearted थी और वो बहुत ज़्यादा pretty भी थी. The farmer took her in as his adopted daughter, and you know that farmer had adopted her as his daughter. Farmer ने उसे अपने daughter की तरह adopt किया and looked after with her with great care. And you know, he just bring up her with great care. उसने बहुत ही केयर के साथ, देखभाल के साथ उसकी लुक्ड आफ्टर की, मीन्स उसकी देखभाल की. ऑलराइट. Soon she became old enough to get married. Soon means बहुत ही जल्दी वो टाइम आ गया कि जब वो बड़ी हो गई, मीन्स वो शादी के लायक हो गई. The farmer said to her, and then farmer asked to her daughter, now my dear, I must find you husband. The farmer said to her daughter, farmer ने अपनी बेटी से कहा, now my dear, अब मेरी प्यारी बेटी, I must find you a husband, अब मैं तुम्हारे लिए एक husband ढूंढूंगा. Who do you want to marry? He just asked to her daughter, who do you want to marry? तुम किससे शादी करना चाहती हो? I will try my best to carry out your wish. Again the farmer said to her daughter, I will try, मैं कोशिश करूँगा. I will try my best, मैं अपना बेहतर करूँगा. To carry out your wish means to fulfill your desire. To carry out your wish, it's a proverb, and the meaning of it, to fulfill a desire. उसने बोला कि मैं तुम्हारी इच्छा को पूरा करने के लिए अपना बेहतर दूंगा. ठीक है. The girl was pleased and answered. You know, the girl became happy. The girl was very happy and she answered. वो बहुत खुश हुई और उसने जवाब दिया, I want to marry the greatest one in this universe. She replied that I want to marry, मैं शादी करना चाहती हूँ, the greatest one, जो सबसे महान है in this universe, इस पूरे ब्रह्मांड में. The farmer thought that the sun was the greatest one in this universe. और किसान ने सोचा कि इस दुनिया में सबसे ज़्यादा जो greatest है वो तो sun है. So he said, इसलिए उसने कहा, I'll get you married to the sun. मैं तुम्हारी शादी sun से करा दूंगा. You will very soon tie a knot with sun. You will tie a knot with sun. All right. The farmer went to the sun and asked him to marry his daughter. You know, the farmer went to the sun. जो farmer था वो sun के पास जाता है and asked him, और उससे पूछते हैं, to marry his daughter. वो अपनी बेटी से शादी करने के लिए उससे कहते हैं. The sun replied, the sun answered, sun ने जवाब दिया, I am not the greatest being, I am not the greatest creature. What's the meaning of being? Being means creature. Means मैं सबसे महान या सबसे बड़े महानतम प्राणी मैं नहीं हूँ. लुक एट द क्लाउड, जस्ट लुक एट द क्लाउड. आप बादल को देखो, दैट कवर्स मी, जो मुझे ढक देता है, एंड हाइड्स माई लाइट, और जो मेरी रोशनी को भी छुपा देता है. ही इज स्ट्रोंगर दैन मी, यू नो, द क्लाउड इज स्ट्रोंगर दैन मी, आई एम नॉट द स्ट्रोंगर वन. द फार्मर वेंट टू द क्लाउड. फार्मर जो है वो किसके पास जाता है? क्लाउड के पास जाता है. एंड आस्क्ड हिम टू मैरी हिज डॉटर, और वो उससे अपनी बेटी की शादी के लिए कहता है. Alright, he just went to the cloud and asked him to marry his daughter. The cloud replied, and you know, this cloud answered at the same time, I'm not the greatest one. I'm not the greatest one, man. There is somebody stronger than me. If you are thinking that I'm the stronger one, then you are wrong. I'm not the stronger one. There is somebody. यहाँ पर कोई और है जो मुझसे ज़्यादा stronger है. It's the wind. It's the wind which tosses me as he likes. Again, क्लाउड रिप्लाइड कि जो हवा है वो मुझे टॉस कर देता है. टॉस का मतलब हुआ टू थ्रो मी ऑफ, वो मुझे दूर उठा के फेंक देता है. ऑलराइट, मुझे टॉस कर देता है जैसा वो चाहता है. टू ब्लो, व्हाट्स द मीनिंग ऑफ टॉस इज टू थ्रो, टू ब्लो, राइट. वो मुझे वैसे ही बहा देता है जैसा वो चाहता है. The farmer then went to the wind. After listening this from the cloud, he just went to the wind. क्लाउड से ये सारी बातें विंड के बारे में सुनने के बाद वो किसके पास जाता है? विंड के पास जाता है. बट ही आंसर्ड, Oh, I'm not the greatest. At the same time, when he again requests to the wind to marry with his daughter, at the same time, wind replied, Oh, I'm not the greatest. मैं greatest नहीं हूँ. The mountain is stronger than me. And he then further added that mountain is stronger than me. Mountain मुझसे ज़्यादा strong है. It's so high that it stops me from going to different places. You know, it's so high. Mountain is so high. It cannot allow me to go on the other side. ये इतना ज़्यादा हाई है कि ये मुझे दूसरी जगह पे अलाउ नहीं करता जाने के लिए. ये मुझे डिफरेंट डिफरेंट प्लेसेस पर नहीं जाने देता है. द farmer went to the mountain after hearing the whatever the wind had said to the farmer went to the mountain. wind से सारी बातों को सुनने के बाद माउंटेन के लिए फार्मर जो है अब माउंटेन के पास जाता है. बट द माउंटेन रिप्लाइड, लेकिन माउंटेन ने क्या जवाब दिया? माउंटेन रिप्लाइड, आई एम टू ओल्ड टू मैरी योर डॉटर. द माउंटेन रिप्लाइड, आई एम टू ओल्ड, मैं बहुत बूढ़ा हो गया हूँ, टू मैरी योर डॉटर, तुम्हारी बेटी से शादी करने के लिए. लुक एट द माउस, उस चूहे को देखो, विच मेक्स होल्स ऑन माई साइड्स, जो मेरे साइड्स में होल कर दिया है, मतलब उसने वहाँ पे छेद कर दिया है. एंड लिव्स देयर वेदर आई लाइक और नॉट, और माउंटेन ने जो होल वहाँ पे किया हुआ है वहाँ पे वो रहता है, चाहे मैं उसे रखना चाहूँ या ना रखना चाहूँ, लेकिन वो अपनी प्लेस बना करके वो रह रहा है. My strength doesn't frighten him. You know that I'm the strongest. You know that I'm so high. But my strength doesn't frighten him. मेरी जो भी ताकत है ना वो उस चूहे को नहीं डरा पाती. Thus the mouse is the greatest one in this universe. इस तरह से देखा जाए तो mouse is the greatest one ना. अगर इस हिसाब से देखें तो अगर मैं सबसे बड़ा हूँ यूनिवर्स में तो माउस मुझसे भी नहीं डरता, तो माउस तो सबसे बड़ा हुआ. The farmer was delighted to hear that the mouse was the greatest creature in the universe. And after hearing the wordings of mountains, the farmer get to know that their mouse is the only creature in the universe that is greatest. ये सुनकर the farmer was delighted, means farmer was very happy. फार्मर बहुत खुश होता है टू हियर, ये सुन के दैट द माउस वॉज द ग्रेटेस्ट क्रीचर. जो माउस है वो ग्रेटेस्ट क्रीचर है, मीन्स ग्रेटेस्ट लिविंग बीइंग है इन द यूनिवर्स में. ही पुट हिज अडॉप्टेड डॉटर इन टू द बॉक्स अगेन, एंड यू नो वट डिड द फार्मर डू? फार्मर जस्ट केप्ट हिज डॉटर इन टू द बॉक्स अगेन. उसने अपनी बेटी को वापस उसी बॉक्स में रखा. वेयर शी चेंज्ड बैक इन टू अ माउस, जहाँ पर वो वापस एक चूहे में बदल गई. He got her married to the mouse. He got her married to the mouse means कि उसने अपनी बेटी की शादी किससे कराई? माउस से कराई. And they lived happily ever after. और इसके बाद वो खुशी खुशी रहने लगे. Do you know from where this chapter had taken? This chapter had been adapted from a French African फोक टेल. जो एक लोक कहानी होती है ना, फ्रेंच अफ्रीकन एक फोक टेल है, उस फ्रेंच अफ्रीकन फोक टेल से ये स्टोरी ली गई है. आई थिंक इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी एंड यू हैड लाइक्ड इट. सो जस्ट we will do the comprehension portion. What we will do here, you have to just answer me this question. The mouse changed into a, first option is beautiful and the second is terrible. You have to tell me which one is correct. जो माउस है वो सुंदर लड़की में बदलती है या फिर टेरिबल लड़की में, यानी कि भयानक लड़की में. सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज, यू ऑल नो राइट, द माउस चेंज्ड इनटू अ ब्यूटिफुल गर्ल. The girl wanted to marry dash in the universe. जो गर्ल है वो किससे शादी करना चाहती है यूनिवर्स में? मोस्ट इंटेलिजेंट से शादी करना चाहती है या फिर ग्रेटेस्ट से शादी करना चाहती है? वी ऑल नो वेरी वेल दैट द गर्ल्स वांटेड टू मैरी द ग्रेटेस्ट मैन इन दिस वर्ल्ड. ऑलराइट, द नेक्स्ट वन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इज, द सन सेड दैट द डैश वाज मोर पावरफुल दैन हिम. द सन सेड, सन ने कहा. कौन उससे ज़्यादा पावरफुल है? कौन उसे छुपा देता है, उसकी लाइट्स भी नहीं आने देता है? दैट इज द क्लाउड. सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज क्लाउड. ओके, द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, द विंड रिगार्डेड द डैश एज द ग्रेटेस्ट क्रीचर इन द यूनिवर्स. वेट, yes, I was here. So the correct option is cloud. The wind regarded the dash as the greatest creature in the universe. According to the wind, who is the greatest creature? Wind ने कहा कि वो एक ऐसा creature है जो मुझे different places पे जाने से रोकता है. तो कौन रोकता है? That is mountain. Okay? Moving to the next slide. It's a listen and tell activity. I'll tell you a story and you have to just respond these questions. Okay? So my dear students, you need to listen to me very carefully. I'm telling you a story and you have to listen to me carefully. Rani was a milkmaid. She was carrying a pitcher of milk on her head. As she was going towards the market, she said to herself, I'll get a lot of money when I sell the milk. I'll buy 10 dozens of eggs with the money. About 100 chicks will come out of the eggs. I will sell them all. I'll get more money. I'll then buy a silk sari for myself. I'll wear it and look very beautiful. I'll also buy a big house. Many handsome young men will want to marry me, but I'll say no to all of them. Rani said this and tossed her head. Alas, the pitcher of milk fell off her head and was broken. As a result, Rani's dream also came to an end. That was the end of the eggs and the chicks, the silk sari, the big house and the handsome young man. Poor Rani. So I think you all had listened the story very carefully. So just answer me the first question. Who was Rani? Rani was a milkmaid. Alright, who was she? She was a milkmaid as it's already written there, right? Underlined. What did she carry on her head? You know? She was carrying a pitcher of milk on her head. Alright, the next question, question number 3 is, what will she get when she sells the milk? She will get lot of money when she sells the milk. Alright. The next question is, what will she buy with the money? What will she buy with the money? Yes, She will buy a beautiful sari, a big house, a handsome young man, eggs and chicks, right? How will she look beautiful? Yeah, the answer is she will wear a silk sari and she will look very beautiful. So student, I had given answer till 5 and you have to reply me question number 6, question number 7 and question number 8. I'm waiting for your response in the comment box. So you need to reply in the comment box. You need to watch the complete video. You need to listen the story also and reply in chat box. Thank you for watching.